Hello little artist, today we're drawing a classic Mickey Mouse. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, let's start this picture using pencil. We're gonna start doing the hat and I'm doing the top part. Just have a circle here and the next shape will be kind of like a backwards J, and I'm gonna start from this corner, okay? So I'm gonna go a little bit down here and start doing a letter J. You see how I'm doing many lines with my pencil just to make it look more like a sketch. Now let's do a curvy line here, but don't touch any of the lines that we did. And now we're gonna continue with two diagonal lines, or kind of like a little triangle for the hat. So we're gonna close here, going down. And now what I'm doing is I'm gonna close this with a little bit of a curvy line, okay? And I want to pass the line on the right, okay? So I'm going to continue here. I'm going to pass this line and curve back. See? Kind of like I did kind of like a half a circle at the end. Now I'm going to go in the line a little bit of kind of like in the middle of the rectangle I did here for the hat. And I'm going to do a line down, little line. And then I'm just gonna follow along this one. It's just a little bit of line, okay? That's for the front of the hat. Now from this point, let's go down and do another half a circle for the front of his, kind of like for his forehead. Okay, let's continue with the nose. It's gonna be just an oval shape. Okay, now I'm gonna do a little line here just to close, and let's continue with kind of like the shape that Mickey Mouse has here for in between his cheek and his ear. So that is kind of like a triangle and then half a circle. So the half a circle is his cheek and the triangle is connected with the hat, okay? Now from this point I'm gonna do the first ear, and that is half a circle. Now the beauty to work with pencil is that I can redo my lines until I'm happy with them and still look really nice because it looks like a sketch. Now there is another advantage here. I'm gonna do this hat a little wider, and because we're working with pencil, I'm just gonna take this line off, okay? Because I just wanna have my hat a little, wider, okay? So there we have it. We have the hat done. Okay, now let's close this part of the ear. Let's join this point with this corner with the other corner we have down here, and that's it. Okay, now I'm gonna continue here with the nose, and I'm just doing like a curvy line that goes down, and let's make another tiny one here. Now the other side, the same thing. Let's do a curvy line, but this one is gonna go all the way back and a little bit up for the smile. And then after this, I'm gonna put here a little curvy line on top, but it's not touching the last line, okay? Now let's go down here, and I'm gonna make kind of like the smile of Mickey Mouse, and it's just kind of like a U shape. And now I'm gonna do a line all under that one. It's gonna be his lip, and this line is just like another U shape, okay? And from this point, I'm just gonna grab, I'm going like a down a little and then join it with the nose. Okay, now let's close the face here with another line, a curvy line, and I'm just continue with the one that comes from his cheek. Now put it a tongue here, and that's kind of like a letter M. Okay, and let's continue with the eyes. The eyes, I'm just starting the eyes with a triangle. And once that I have the triangle, it's kind of like a sideways triangle. I'm gonna trace a oval around it, okay? Can you see it? Okay, let's do it again. Let's put a sideways triangle and now an oval shape that goes around. Okay, let's continue with the ear that is in behind the hat, and for that, we're just doing half a circle, just like that. The next step is the arm. So the arm comes from under the lip we did here. So I'm just gonna trace two diagonal lines that goes down a little bit, And right now it looks actually a little funny, but you will see, it will come together. So from this point, I'm gonna start doing the hand. So let's do a line on this left side, just a curvy line that continues here, and a little one that goes down here on the right side. Okay, let's do two, kind of like a triangle there. And now I want to do he's holding the helm of the boat, and this is one of the sticks. Okay, so I'm doing a a rectangle right here, and from here I want to take the fingers. So this is one of the fingers. Okay, and we're gonna do two more. Okay, so let's do following the same shape, and one more. Okay, so it's curvy on the top, then a little diagonal line, and then start going down and around. And now we're just gonna join these to the other side of the hand. Okay, now let's do one more finger here. It could be kind of like the last finger. And now this line that I'm doing here is gonna be really diagonal and kind of curvy, is his tummy. And I'm gonna go up a little, and I want to start tracing the shorts, and that's a curved line. They go to the right. Okay, next I'm going to start doing here a curved line that goes down, and this is going to be part of the helm of the boat. And so I'm crossing over the shorts and the tummy a little and touching to the hand, because this line is going to pass behind his hand. Okay, so I'm just going to go over and over with my lines. And remember, we wanted to make it look like a sketch, so these lines over and over is actually helping for that, and is helping you to kind of like perfect the line a little curvy here. See, I'm gonna pass over and over until I get the line quite as I want it to. So like I said, the curvy line we continue in behind the hand. Okay, now I'm gonna trace here another of the sticks that he's holding onto, and from here you see it's kind of like a rectangle again, with the bottom part is very curvy, and here I'm doing the first finger. Okay, so it's kind of like a letter L, curvy letter L there, the finger, or a backwards J. And let's do one more finger up here. It looks like a letter C. Okay, that's his thumb, and it's almost closed, not quite there. Okay, now I'm gonna do one more here, and this is just to close the first finger I did. Okay, now let's do one more and one more. This is his hand that is holding on to this stick. So now let's pretend the line goes in behind and finish that stick he's holding on to. Okay, put in a little bit of shadows here. So these shadows, I'm gonna start kind of like putting a guidance for where I'm gonna start coloring, but I'm not gonna go too far in there. Okay, let's make one more line here for the hand. So one curvy line to the right and one to the left, and another kind of like a rectangle on the bottom for the glove, and then two little lines to close where his arm goes. See, I'm gonna color it here so you can see it. Okay, now I want to continue with that arm, just a diagonal line here, and I want to color also a little bit so you guys can see where the arm goes. Okay, there. Okay, now let's do one more curvy line like this of this helm they were doing here, and this is kind of like the inside part of it. So again, I'm gonna start putting some shadows here. I'm not gonna go too far with them, and I'm gonna continue here with the shorts, that part of the leg. Okay, so we're gonna do the shorts, and that is just like a square right here. See it? The top part is a little curvy, and now his leg is going two lines going down, diagonal lines, and close on the bottom. And now let's start making the shoe. Okay, I'm gonna put the paper up so you guys can see better. Okay, so the shoe is kind of like two curvy lines that go around the ankle. So I'm going up a little bit on those lines I did and do 2 curvy lines, and then now let's continue with the shoe. So I'm just gonna go around, and now let's take the right side and again around. This line go in a little bit. Now let's do the bottom part, and I'm just following this line I did, and on the back part I'm doing kind of like a heel of the shoe and 1 line on the top, 2 lines. Let's put 2 lines there for details on the shoe. Okay, just coloring here a little bit. I'm really excited to start coloring this Mickey Mouse. Okay, so in this part we're gonna put actually a little bit of shade, so that make it like a little bit of volume there. Okay, let's continue with the drawing. Let's do the other part of the shorts. This is just a little triangle. It's kind of like part of the shorts that goes in behind, and from here let's do an imaginary line in the behind, and that's gonna be the stick that is from the helm. So let's see right here. Okay, and let's continue with this one.